Okay, the summary after driving the 2022 F-150. It's insane all the little creature comforts that they put in these things. I mean, you got lane assist, you got adaptive cruise control, you got the parking mirror, or not the parking, you got the mirrors that light up when there's somebody in your blind spot. It's really insane. The performance, I had it in sport mode the hell time, and I mean, it's not that quick off the line, but once it builds boost, obviously it's going to take off. However, it's not the fastest thing I've drove, but it is respectable. It's not bad. Other things, I mean, it's an F-150. It's cool. It's respectable. It'll tow just about anything you want. The 10 speed's amazing, as always. It's pretty cool. I like it. Good stuff. Good stuff, Ford.